Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to block a specific friend from viewing your story in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on 3 vertical line at the top right corner. Tap on Settings from the bottom of this page. Scroll down and find the option Story Controls. Tap on this. In the first option, you can see Hide Story from 0 people. Tap on this. Tap on Search Followers and find the person whom you want to block from viewing your story. Select the person. Tap on the rat symbol from the top right corner. That's it. Now you can see hide story from one person. From now on, this specific friend won't be able to view your story. So that is how you can block a specific friend from viewing your story in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.